The dream starts with an online search, but it ends with your dream home. And then we want to talk about how you can make that dream a reality with 3 critical points to make sure that you set yourself up to be a winning buyer to find that dream home on the Oregon coast. So let's go ahead and get started with number 1 on our list of 3. And that's going to be, it is essential that you know that your financing is in place and ready to go before you consider writing an offer. You want to verify yourself to a seller so that they know that you are a buyer who is ready financially to make that purchase. It comes in basically 2 forms. If you are getting a loan, you're going to want to have a pre-approval letter from a lender. And if you're buying cash, you want to show that you've got the cash reserves ready to close on that transaction when you get to closing day. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you're working with a high quality real estate agent who's been doing it for a bit of time in the market that you're looking for. You need an agent who understands the market. You need an agent that understands what's the trend in the market. And you really also want an agent who knows the other agents out there, who the listing agent might be. The third and final point is going to be making sure that the offer is competitive and attractive to the seller. There are more components to an offer than just the price point. Price point is number 1. You know, it's the most important thing at the end of the day. But before you get to price, there are other factors that have to be considered. What's the timeline to close? Is there a better time to close than another time to close for the seller? Inspection contingencies, lending contingencies, title contingencies, these are all really important parts of an offer that protect you, and you want those in place. If you are looking for buyer's agents, we've got them here at Harcourts Home Oregon Coast. We service the whole Oregon coast, but we are based primarily out of Lincoln City. And we can be reached through our website, through our social media channels, and we look forward to helping you find that dream home when you're ready.